Okay, so as you can see here, I got my seed growing station temporarily each day. What I do is from early in the morning until evening, I set up my grow lights and put my planting, my seeds that I planted underneath the grow light. And this is the result. And yesterday I had transplanted the long beans, the purple and the green, to these plastic cups that you see with the toilet tissue roll. So I repotted them into those cups, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to plant a different seed in the slot that was the long beans were growing from. So basically, whatever's grown that's ready to be transplanted into a bigger container, I'm gonna replace a different seed in that slot of this cells that's in the tray.